In this short video, we'll be discussing possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns are kind of like possessive determiners, but instead of replacing a possessive noun, it actually replaces a possessive noun and the noun that follows it. So possessive pronouns are not followed by a noun. So if we look at this list, we have the singular possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, and hers, and then we have the plural possessive pronouns, ours and theirs. So possessive pronouns are important, just like pronouns and possessive determiners are. They reduce repetition and they allow you to refer to something, an idea earlier in the conversation. So here's an example. This is his dictionary and this is hers. So when we say hers, we're talking about her dictionary. So instead of saying this is his dictionary and this is her dictionary, we can reduce repetition and just say this is hers. And hers refers to another dictionary. Let's look at another example. It's a very short part of a conversation between A and B. He asks, "How's your family?" B says, "Oh, they're great. Thanks for asking. How's yours?" When B says, "How's yours?" yours is referring to your family. So instead of repeating, "How's your family?" B just asks, "How's yours?" And it reduces repetition. And that's just a little bit about possessive pronouns.